Hello friends, hope you are good. This is our lecture number 18 of unit number 2, that is design of chassis component. So in previous lecture we have learned about the introductory part of lever, then types of lever, and we follow a standard design procedure of foot lever. So let's get calculate some numerical based on this standard design procedure. So numerical first, a foot lever is a 1 meter from the center of the shaft to the point of application of 800 Newton load. So in this numerical you have given that capital L is equal to 1 meter, which is effective length. This is the distance between the center of shaft and the point of application of this load, that is 800 Newton. So this is nothing but the capital P. So in this sentence you have given capital L is equal to 1 meter and P equal to 800 Newton. So we have to find out the diameter of shaft, dimensions of the key, and the dimensions of rectangular arm of that foot lever. Okay, at 600 mm from the center of the shaft, assuming width of the arm is 3 times thickness. Okay, so we have to calculate diameter of shaft, dimensions of key, and dimensions of rectangular arm of that foot lever at 600 mm. Okay, also we have to take width, that is capital B equal to 3 times T. So allowable tensile stress may be taken as 73 MPa. Convert this into Newton per mm square, and allowable shear stress, that is tau, is 70 MPa. Also convert this into Newton per mm square. So solution, we have given data capital L is 1 meter, that is 1000 millimeter. Capital P is 800 Newton. Sigma T is 73 MPa, that is 73 Newton per mm square, and tau is 70 MPa, that is 70 Newton per mm square. So consider this figure. Okay, remember that you have, while solving the numerical, by designing this lever, you have to draw this figure एज अ सॉल्यूशन. ओके, तो आपको डिज़ाइनिंग करते समय, न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते समय ये फिगर ड्रॉ करना मस्ट है. ओके, सो दिस फिगर ऑल्सो कंटेन्स few marks out of given to this numerical. So let L is equal to 1 meter, P is 800 Newton. Also in numerical we have to calculate this capital B as 3 times T. So in step first we calculate capital T, that is twisting moment. Capital T equal to P into L. So 800 into 1000, which is equal to 800 into 10 to the power 3 Newton mm. Also we know that twisting moment capital T is pi by 16 tau into d cube. So put down the value of T, that is 800 into 10 to the power 3 equal to pi by 16 into 70 into d cube. So calculate the value of D by rearranging this term and taking the cube root of given value. So you will get D is 38.75 mm. You can also take it this diameter as approximately 40 mm. Then in next stage, by using some empirical relation, d2 equal to 1.6 times d, which is equal to 1.6 into 38.75. So you will get D2 as 62 mm. Also T2, that is thickness of boss, equal to 0.3 times D. So 0.3 into 38.75, which is equal to 11.63 mm. So you will get another parameter over here. Then by also using the third empirical relation, that is L2 equal to 1.25 times D, put down the value of D, you will get L2 equal to 48.44 mm. Then in fourth empirical relation, you may take capital L equal to 2 times L2. So just double this value, you will get 96.88 mm as a capital L. Now equate these two equations, that is pi by 16 into tau into d1 cube equal to in square root of L2 square plus capital L square. So pi by 16, 770 into d1 cube equal to 800 in bracket 96.88 square plus 1000 square. So you will get the value of d1 as 38.82 mm. This is d1, not d. Okay, correct over here. The standard dimensions of the key for a 4000 mm diameter shaft are, अच्छा यहाँ पे आपको डिज़ाइन डेटा बुक का यूज़ करना होगा. एक डिज़ाइन डेटा बुक होता है जो कि आपको परमिशन होता है आपको इसको एग्ज़ाम में यूज़ करना. ये एक सिमिलर बुक है जैसे कि आपका लॉग बुक होता है, जिसे आप फिजिक्स और मैथमेटिक्स में सॉल्व करने के लिए लॉगरिथमिक टेबल यूज़ करते हैं लॉग बुक में. तो सिमिलरली एक डिज़ाइन डेटा बुक होता है ऑटोमोबाइल कंपोनेंट डिज़ाइन के कुछ फैक्टर और कुछ पैरामीटर कैलकुलेट करने के लिए. तो इसे कैसे यूज़ करना है और कब कब यूज़ करना है, इसके लिए मैं आपके लिए एक सेपरेट लेक्चर बना दूंगा. सो टिल आप इतना ध्यान रखिए कि एक स्टैंडर्ड डायमीटर 40 mm के लिए विड्थ और थिकनेस कितनी होनी चाहिए, तो 12 mm और 8 mm. Okay, so put down these values of width and thickness in this equation. So you will get capital T equal to L1 into width W into tau into D by 2. Put down the all values and calculate L1. So you will get L1 is 47.6 mm. Approximately you can take it as a 48 mm or 50 mm. Both are correct. You have toleration of using 1 to mm. So it may be taken as equal to the length of the boss, that is L1 equal to L2, which is equal to 50 mm. Take it approximately 50 mm. So let T is the thickness of the arm in mm and B is the width of the arm in mm. In given data, you have to take capital B as 3 times T. So the bending moment at 60 mm from the center of that shaft, you will get M equal to 800 in bracket 1000 minus 60. Now this is capital L minus small l. So you will get 752 into 10 to the power 3 Newton mm. Okay, and then the Z equal to pi 1 by 6 into tau into B square. Put down the all values. You will get the equation in the form of T. Now the tensile bending stress sigma T equal to M by Z. Put down the value of M and the Z. So you will get the value of T by rearranging some. So you have to perform some numerical calculation over here. This is all up to you. and calculate the small t, that is 20 mm. Okay, now in last stage we have to calculate the width of that boss, that is b equal to 3 times t, 3 into 20, that is 60 mm. Okay, so this capital B is the value near the boss, and near the pedal end we have to take it as a half, that is 30 mm. So this is the solution of that numerical. We have to follow the standard procedure while designing the foot lever. So homework time, you have to calculate design of foot brake lever from the following data. I will give you some hint to solve this numerical. Also here I have given to the answers for your tally. So length of the lever of the center of gravity of spindle to the point of application is 1 meter, that is capital L equal to 1 meter. Convert this into millimeter. Then the maximum load on the foot pedal is 800 Newton. Convert this into no need to convert this in, it is already in Newton. Also the overhang from the nearest bearing is 100 mm. So this is the small L. Okay, this is small L. Then the permissible tensile and the shear stress is 70 MPa. So both values are similar, that is 70 MPa. So good luck for solving this numerical. If you have any doubt, we will discuss it later. So thank you for watching today's lecture. Hope you are enjoying the online learning platform.